Transportation waste is any unnecessary movement of tools, inventory, or equipment, or even products further than necessary. The transportation itself will add no value to your product, so minimizing these costs is an essential for you. Example of transportation waste will include excessive handling and shipping of parts or product between warehouses, the use of large or ineffective transportation method when a smaller one would be sufficient, and also the need to move material or product long distance within your facility itself. This type of waste is often associated with the overuse of transportation and handling processes, which can increase your lead time, inventory cost, and the risk of damage to your product and your material. And here I advise you for looking where is this sort of waste, where things are moving, which could be avoided, and take action to stop it.